The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are here, and with them come a slew of questions. Are these the new best earbuds? Are they good for Apple users? And most importantly, should you buy or skip? So let's jump right in. This year's set comes in two colors, silver or white. And I gotta say, that new shiny chrome finish looks sick, which I wish I had. For $249, you get a 3-mic array system built on an unspecified chipset, with the first of its kind for the Samsung Buds, a two-way woofer and tweeter with a 10.5mm dynamic driver and a 6.1mm planar driver. So what should I be excited for if I'm itching for a new pair of earbuds? Well, for starters, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are essentially attuned with exciting AI features. These best come alive when paired with either an Android or Samsung smartphone in features like hands-free voice controls, interpreter mode, and several audio enhancements. Hands-free voice is a pretty sick feature that lets me simply speak aloud a command like stop music, which is perfect for when I can't use my hands or I'm just being too lazy. That's pretty sick. Audio enhancements in terms of AI simply refers to the earbud's ability to read the inside of your ear and best calibrate sound to suit that environment. And then, interpreter mode is by far my favorite of the bunch, allowing me to translate spoken dialogue in real time. Genki desu ka? As someone in the process of learning Japanese, it's a helpful little addition that allows me to test my capabilities on Samsung's AI. It's great for helping me get the pronunciation perfect in Japanese. On the audio side of things, sound is crisp and punchy. Despite its small size, it packs a big punch. But what makes all the difference is SSC, or Samsung's scalable codec. Essentially the same iteration of Sony's LDAC codec, which supports ultra-high quality audio at 24-bit and 96 kHz streaming. For audiophiles, it's a noticeable increase in audio quality. And then there's the incredible ANC, with 3 levels. But I was most impressed with its adaptive mode, which uses AI to detect when you or others are talking to lower the audio or to increase ANC when you're in a louder environment.
Oh, what else?
Sorry, I put on ANC, I couldn't hear you. When music was paused, in busier parts of the city, I could still hear faint trickles of sound leakage. Car horns, sirens, very loud noises. It's obviously far harder to tell when music or general audio is playing, but overall, ANC is still quite impressive. While its noise cancellation isn't quite to the level of a pair of over-the-ears like the Sony XM5s or the brand new Dyson OnTrack, check out our other video on that to learn more. But the Buds 3 Pro still gives other earbuds at this price point a run for their money. Last, but certainly not least for reasons why you might want to scoop these bad boys up, is in their protective IP57 rating, which is higher than most other earbuds. The caveat: this is only for the buds themselves, and not the case, which is such a major oversight on Samsung's part. Still, the buds can easily handle sweat, water, and even dust. Just be sure to keep the case in a dry spot. That's all well and good, but what about the bad? Well, one of its biggest faults is a lack of any iOS support for its app, which really blows for users who want to break out of the Apple ecosystem for more exciting audio solutions that aren't AirPods Pros or Beats. In fact, it's so bad that the Samsung app that allows all of its primary functionality isn't available on iOS devices, meaning that most of its best features like hands-free voice controls, interpreter mode, and ANC control aren't available. As annoying as that is, even non-Samsung users are locked out of all the Buds AI features. Basically, if you want to take full advantage of these, you're going to want to shell out for the Samsung Galaxy phone with support for Galaxy AI. With that comes also the issue of its price, which is pretty expensive in the face of similar options on the market, like the $140 Pixel Buds Pro. Check out our Tech Takedown for more on that. Or the newer $150 Nothing Ear, which comes with an IP55 rated case to boot. It's also going to be hard convincing non-Samsung users to make the switch when most of the best features aren't available to them. Finally, I think comfort and fit with the Buds 3 Pro isn't the best. Even trying out all of its tips, I couldn't find one that wasn't too loose. A ton of other reviewers on Amazon also point this out, so this seems like a major oversight on Samsung's end. These dumb earbuds. Between jogging, working out, and even riding my scooter to work, these always felt like they were going to fall out. And a couple times, they actually did. I was actually annoyed by how much I had to keep adjusting them in my ear, even on a walk, just so they stayed in place. Even right now, they're falling out. Definitely don't want it falling down there. Is the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro worth 250 bucks? Personally, as an iPhone user, these aren't for me, and I'm sticking with my trusty Nothing Ear, which sounds about as good. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Follow us everywhere at Tom's Guide, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.